Hey guys, today's June 5th and I'm going to harvest some Cubanelle peppers. Now the last ones I picked were a little smaller than this and they didn't quite taste ripe yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick these. I'm going to see if they taste a little better. Look at that monster. I'm also gonna pick some of these banana peppers here. They say they're pretty good, about 5-6 inches. That's what I got. Alright, this is my harvest here. 4 banana peppers, 1 black prince I'm gonna get the seeds out of, and 2 Cubanelles. Alright, see y'all on the next harvest. Hey guys, today is June 10th and I've got some ill-dyed cherry tomatoes here turning yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and pick them because we're about to get about 3 days of rain and I don't want them splitting on me. Not many for this picking, but I am sure I will have a lot more. Alright, I've also got some lemon drop cherries that look pretty ripe to me. I'll go ahead and pluck these. Already got one kind of split it on me there. There's some more. One of them's already starting to split on the side there. That's about it for now. Hello guys, today's June 12th. I'm going to do a little bit of harvesting on my bell peppers. I've got a purple bell that's probably ready to harvest here. Still a couple more in there. I think I'm gonna leave on and see what happens. I got some chocolate bells here that I'm gonna see if they're ready. Into that one. Alright, my banana peppers. I believe these will be long enough. I'm going to pick some of these lemon drops here. They look pretty good. Now for the ill-dyed cherries. I'll pick some of these. These actually taste better than the lemon drops. Might as well pick them too. I've also got a pink Brandywine. I'm going to go ahead and pick it. It'll finish ripening up inside the house. And I've got some black princes here that's splitting on me. We've got about 2 days of rain, so that's probably why they're splitting a bunch of. Alright, not a bad harvest here guys. I've got 3 black princes right here. That a couple of them split on me. I've got a pink Brandywine here, looks real good. some banana peppers, some chocolate bell peppers, a purple bell, some lemon drop cherries, and some Ildai cherries here. So not a bad harvest. Hey guys, today's June 16th and I've got a Brandywine. I got actually 2 Brandywines to pick today. I've also got some Ildai cherries right here and right here. They're actually all over the place, but they hadn't turned yet. I've got a few lemon drops I'm gonna pick today. Not a bad harvest once again. We got some lemon drop cherries over here. Some...
Let me do it first.
Okay. Why don't you tell everybody what we got? So, tomatoes?
Tomatoes.
So we got some tomatoes. Some bell peppers.
Apples.
No, they're not apples. Them are tomatoes.
That's apples. That's tomatoes. That's apples.
No. Today is June 21st, and I will probably be harvesting a couple Black Prince tomatoes, and maybe a Brandywine, maybe a couple of those. I've got a bunch of Brandywines turning red on me, and I'll get some Ildai cherries also. There's a big old Brandywine right there. I'll probably leave that on a couple more days. Alrighty, this is what I got. I got 3 Black Princes, a Brandywine, a purple bell, and 2 chocolate bells. Hey everybody, I've got another harvest here for you. Today's June 24th, 2012. I've got 4 tomatoes here, and some bell peppers and some Cubanelle peppers, and I've got a big old watermelon. This watermelon come out of my compost pile. I'm gonna see how good it tastes. Oh, and Luke, if you're watching, I've got one of my biggest tomatoes was picked for me before I got home from work, so I can't enter it into your contest, but I'm gonna go ahead and weigh it for shits and giggles. We're gonna see how heavy this thing is. I got my little digital scale here. You see that it's on ounces, and here we go. Alright, 1 pound, 1 7/8 ounce. It's not as big as I thought it was. I thought it was going to be bigger than that. Alrighty. See y'all later. Hey everybody. A couple more days till the end of the month and I'll post this video. But I've got another harvest for you. Today is June 26, 2012. And I will be harvesting, finally I will be harvesting these Dester tomatoes. I've got 2. I will be picking off the Dester plant. I finally get to taste that, since it won the tomato testing contest last year at Seed Saver Exchange. And this Black Prince here is producing a lot of small tomatoes. I don't know if I'll plant it next year, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One up there, and I might go ahead and pick those too. I'm gonna harvest those, and next is my Brandywines. I've got a bunch of them turning red. I'm gonna pick this one, which is a nice size tomato, and this one down here. Next, I've got a bunch of Ildai cherry tomatoes, and right beside it I've got a lot of lemon drops I got to harvest today. Well, Alright guys, here's the June 26th harvest. I got 2 Dester tomatoes. I've got 2 Brandywines, 5 Black Prince. This one's got a nose growing out of it. Look at that. Bunch of lemon drops and a few Ildai. Alright, see y'all next time. Today is June 27th and I'll only be harvesting okra today, which is probably only going to be a couple pods. There's one there. I've got one right there on this plant. I've got one on this plant here. And I've got one right there. This is perfect size to pick them. About 4 inches or so. Alrighty, here they are. I only got 4 pods this time, but as you pick, the plant grows and grows and grows. So probably next month I'll be picking a lot more. But when you pick your okra, try to get them between 4 inches or less. I wouldn't go over 5 inches because they start getting a little tough then. Hello everybody, today is June 29th. We've got one more day in this month. And I'm going to do a last harvest for June right here. This is my Dester plant and I've got them all over the place. I've probably got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes I could harvest off this thing. Look at that thing. And these are some real good tomatoes, just to let y'all know. I've got a couple of Black Prince that I'm going to harvest. Probably about 3 of them I'm going to harvest. Well, I didn't see them. I've got about 5 Black Princes I'm going to harvest today. Next I've got some pink Brandywines. I'm going to grab all these. Well, maybe just a couple. And next, of course, we've got the Ildai tomato. This plant's looking real bad, so I don't know how long it's going to last. I'm going to keep harvesting until it goes. And I've got a few lemon drops also I'm going to harvest. Whoa, Nelly! Look at that. I let it get a little too big, but I'm going to harvest this piece of okra, and this piece of okra, and this piece of okra, and that piece of okra. Probably going to get that one as well. Wow, guys. I think I've gone tomato crazy here with a little bit of okra involved. Man, I start June just picking here and there, and I end it with a bang. I've got some Black Prince here, some pink Brandywines, and some Dester beefsteaks, and a bunch of little cherries and some okra. Wow, man, wow, I can't believe it. And it's just beginning. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the June harvest. Much more to come, so please subscribe, and if you got any questions, I'll try to answer you as fast as I can. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.